In a town where streetlights blink out at random, a night shift janitor discovers a door hidden behind the furnace. Opening it, he finds a hallway that mirrors the town, except everyone inside wears a quiet, unfamiliar sadness. The hallway stretches into a clockless midnight where clocks tick backward and memories drift from unwilling mouths. When the janitor whispers a name, it answers back, revealing the door's previous keeper as himself, displaced in time. He realizes the town's safety hinges on locking the door, yet every attempt leaves another version of him waiting.